can't talk right now because I have to eat that. I'm starving to death. I have to eat some or else I'm gonna like starve to death. Alright, I'll talk later. Alright, love you too, babe. Alright, bye.
Hello. Hi. Nah, boy.
Excuse me.
Shut up. No way.
You shouldn't use the language.
Hi, welcome to Pizza. Please come for me. Well, that customer is like I
I'm gonna ask for somewhere else.
Hi, welcome to Pizza. My name is
Leslie?
Brianna.
Is it?
Yes. And I will be your surprise. And my
Hi, can I get 3 sodas?
What kind?
Cherry Coke and 2 Mountain Dews.
That's it?
Nope. Can I get 3 single orders of pizza? Of cinnamon sticks, please?
Okay,
Thank you, Dumpling.
Hi, where's my waiter? So, I was talking to my boyfriend the other day, and he was like asking all these stupid questions, and I think I'm gonna break up with him. Well, I mean, here, no drinks for ready. I'll be right back.
What's your order anyway?
2 Mountain Dews and a Sprite.
Any food?
Cinnamon sticks. 3.
How many? 3?
3.
Alright. Thank you so much.
And Mountain Dew and a Sprite too. And your cinnamon sticks will be up there right away.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're
You're sweet girl.
There's your cinnamon stick. I think I'll have a drink now.
Cinnamon sticks. They only ordered 1 by 1. Here's your cinnamon sticks.
Excuse me? Hi. I ordered 3. You only give me 1, so I need 2 more.
Of the cinnamon sticks?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes,
2 more? That would be 6 of them?
No, I already paid you for the 3.
Oh. Never mind, I want. By the way, what's your name?
Angelina.
Oh, Angelina. Do you like my new cup bag I got from Victoria's Secret?
Yeah, it's very cute, but you shouldn't be asking people their opinion when you're supposed to be working.
I'm working. I've been working very hard for you. And you know what? This whole working, it's just
Brianna, you need orders now.
Oh.
So how many orders did I order? How many orders of cinnamon sticks did I order? Okay, just make sure. Alright, I'm gonna go sit back down and my mom's gonna be up too. Okay.
We need 2 more cinnamon sticks. I mean, no. 1. Wait. How many?
2.
1.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. There! You have work to do. You go, Brianna.
Here you go. Oh, wow. These are hot.
You need to try.
Here we go.
Anything else? Anything okay, Bree? You alright? I'm not taking that.
Sure, try it.
Okay, I'll let this one go for now. Just because I'm not eating this one. You're going to see one of my friends.
She's not nice. Okay. Oh, that's my phone. Hi, work's been stressing me out lately.
Ooh. A half hour later. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hang on 1 second.
Did you get my cinnamon sticks?
Yes, they're at your table. Okay, so I'm gonna whatever else.
No, they're not. You only gave me 2. Yeah, let me say hi to your boyfriend.
Okay. What would you want?
I want my cinnamon stick. Are they
Oh, yeah.
25?
Ordered 3, and I gave you 3.
So you only give me 2.
I quit.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
Boss,
see you.
I quit!
I'll be on in a second. I'm so sorry, okay? Really.
Alright, thank you. 40 minutes later.
Yeah, you're saying this one has a little crazy in 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you, doll face.
Excuse me? You're closing in 5 minutes. Do you think I could eat all these in 5 minutes?
I want this stuff.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay, just hand me these out.
Brianna, darn, we have a date coming up. It's 5 minutes, and we're closing. Why are the customers still here? Miss, are there any problems? Yes, there is. What did you say, wonderful waitress over there dropped you cinnamon sticks. I let it go because I wasn't eating them. And, she knew that you guys were closing in 5 minutes and brought me a plate instead of a to-go. Sweetie, is that true?
I don't know what she's talking about. I think she's on crack or something.
I'm not on crack. You are because you don't know how to count. Did you go to kindergarten or 1st grade or not?
Yes, I did. Do you want to see my report card? By the way, here's your staff for the cinnamon sticks.
Well, pretty much
Again?
to me. I had a complaint about my chef, but she quit. Saying that you're gonna take Biddy take.
Whoa! Brianna!
I'm sorry.
There's more just sitting in the oven. I'll just dump them.
You need to do your training. I'm free. See what I mean? It's true. I feel bad. Can I have my money back?
Sure. Gotta get back on shore.
Okay. I'm Angelina playing the customer because I'm really mad at this dumb Brianna girl.
Alright, I played a boyfriend, and I played for the chef, and she quit.
My name is Lauren, and I played
I'm
Brianna. She's kind of brain dead, and if you ever get a pizza and she's there, just leave. Be like, Brianna, you're stupid. Just seriously, leave. And this wonderful girl here is our photographer. She's been doing everything for me.
Yep.
Love ya.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.